Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about if you have found your purpose. That's what I talked about the purpose, how to find your purpose. If you have found the purpose, you have to start serving. You have to start sharing your gifts, the gifts you have born with and within. Each human being born with the gifts. Gifts means something you meant to do in the universe world and as your purpose. So if you have found the purpose, now your duty is to serve. Serve means through your gifts, through your talent, through your business, through your professionalism, whatever your purpose is. For my purpose is sharing this information about the universal laws, how to work with the universal laws and helping others to understand the universal laws. And so same, you have to start doing that, serving and helping to understand through your talent and through your gifts you have been given. And the purpose is we have given to help others. Don't hold back. Means if you this is what you're supposed to do, and I'm very much aware of this, what I'm supposed to do, this what I meant to do, and this is my duty to do, serve and help others to understand the universal laws. And same, whatever your talent is, your professionalism is, your business is, and if you are on the purpose and if you are doing things on the purpose and this what you meant to do, most of the time people are just waiting for only going to serve or give something if I going to get something back. Get means maybe return money or something you're expecting back. Back means people don't like giving. Giving means before they receive something, and but the talent and purpose is you're not supposed to hold back. You have given this gift from beyond power and beyond whatever you want to call beyond, and we have and born with and within these talents, and we're not supposed to hold them back. We're supposed to help the world. We're supposed to serve the world and to help other people, and it can help them to get better life or better, whatever way better is their needs are. So I am very much aware of this is what I'm doing. I am working on my purpose, and this is what I'm doing. I'm sharing this information. I'm not expecting uh, um, I going to return back, or I going to return money back, or I going to return something, and then I going to share my information, what I have learned, what my purpose is. No, you meant to just share and serve, and don't worry about return, and return will come according to the universal laws. This is the reason laws are there. Laws are working all the time. What you give, you receive back. Most of the time, people hold themselves back because they want to receive first before they give something. Giving means something, your talent, your gifts, or something, whatever you're good about, your professionalism, your business, and people don't like to give. They like to receive first, then they will give. This is how the mentality is. This is how we born with. This is how we've been taught. Uh, but according to the universal laws, give and receive is a law, and if you give something you're going to receive something back. And don't expect from maybe same people, if you have shared the information or if you help someone, and don't expect something returned back, but somewhere from universe world you're always gonna get something back. I'm going to give you an example. Sometime when we buy things, sometimes things are on the really discounted price. They really reduce price. That means universe trying to help you, trying to give you something return. Maybe you have given something through your talent, through your service, through your the job, the business, and you haven't charged them, or you haven't return something back, and you just try to help others or serve others, and according to the universal laws, you're always going to return back. This is how the universe laws are. This is the reason we have to know the laws. Laws are really important to knowing them, and that is another subject. Today, all I'm talking about the purpose. If you have found your purpose, start serving, start sharing your talent with others, start helping others, how you can improve others, how you can help others through your talent, through your business, through your professionalism. And don't focus on the money, focus on serving, focus on helping others, how you can improve other people's lives. So, and this what the purpose is mean. You're not supposed to hold back, and just do that every single day. Start to give through your talents and gifts and your business, or whatever you're good about something, and the return always gonna be there. Always. It's a law. If I throw something from the top, and that thing is always going to come back down on the earth, on the is always going to come down. That means what we give, we always going to receive something back. So this is how the universe works. Because people are not aware of it, they always hold themselves back in giving something, or serving something, or helping someone, and they always hold them back. So don't hold yourself back. If you have found your purpose, and start to serve, start to share whatever you are good about through your talent and professionalism, or your business, and do that every single day. How you can help others, how you can help your family or friends or the universe world, how you can serve others through your talent and gifts. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. If you have found your purpose, and don't sit and try to how you can improve other people's lives, because whatever you have been given, and people need it, and this is the reason you have given that talent, you have given that gift, to help others, to improve others, or share that information, or whatever you are good about, and people need it. And so this is what I'm doing. I'm sharing the information I have learned. So my purpose is to help others through the universal laws, and this information I have learned. I'm still learning. I'm still studying every single day, and making myself better, and more professional, and more I just just go through that information through me, and to become that person. So you have to practice every day. You have to study every single day. You have to watch the YouTubes. You have to write it down. You have to, doing that, you will get professional, whatever you are, uh, you meant to do as your purpose. You have to practice every single day. And you might be saying, I don't know how to help others, how to share what I'm good about. And if you practice every single day, take a step every single day, and every day, of course, you're going to be professional, whatever your talent is, but you have to practice every single day. You have to start sharing and helping others, say others, and definitely you're gonna get the help to improve yourself. You're gonna get the return back. So don't worry about that. All you have to focus on how you can. Don't think about yourself. Don't think how good are you, how you're not good about yourself. Don't focus on yourself. Focus on others. Focus on how you can help someone. And this what we have learned. Don't put your focus on yourself, focus on how you can help others to improve others, and whatever the talent is, it can help others. That's all you have to focus on. Don't focus yourself on yourself. So you are not the focus. The focus is to help others through your purpose, through your gifts, through your talents, through your professionalism, through your business, whatever the business you have. So, and get better every single day practicing. This is what I do. I'm practicing every single day. I'm studying every single day. I'm watching YouTubes every single day. And because I'm making myself uh, perfect and professionalism. So this is how to become a perfect. You have my mentor used to study every single day. He used to get up 5 o'clock in the morning and writing his goals and writing his gratitude and write and doing his do list. And that's what we're supposed to do every single day. If you, whatever the gift you, the purpose you are good about, you have to practice every single day. You have to study every single day without missing the day, because you have given the responsibility and you have to take the responsibility and to help others, improve others, and get better whatever you are supposed to do and you meant to do. And it's your responsibility. Don't think um, um, yeah, it's just you have to, it's your duty to the purpose you have given. It's our duty to help others, to improve others and serve others. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to share with you about the purpose. What do you think about? Are you serving others, helping others through your talent and professionalism and you through your business? And leave your comments. What do you think about? Are you still shy to serve your information or help others, or you are serving already, or you helping others, and try to do that every single day. So definitely, how much your life going to change doing that, because universal law is always returns back, and it's a tenfold you get the returns back. So don't worry, focus on to receive something. All you have to focus on giving means through your talent. So the return always going to be there, according to the universal laws. Cause and effect, give and receive, and action and reaction is always going to be there. So all you have to focus on, how you can serve others through your purpose. Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. And if you like the YouTube, please give thumbs up and start serving and helping others, how you can improve others. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.